Hello guys and welcome to Instant Nerd. Today I will be showing you how to change account name on PayMaya. Okay, so how do you do that? So first you want to tap on Maya and then uh, you just want to tap on your name on the top left corner, and then as you can see here, I have already changed my username. I can't change it anymore because it is permanent. So if you haven't changed your account name, this would appear, and you just want to tap on get started, and then you want to type in the username that you want. uh, Make sure that it is unique, because if it is not unique you won't be able to use it. So once you have think of a unique username, you just want to tap on confirm, and that's how you do it. If you want to change any account information and such, you just want to go to your browser, and then you want to search for, you just want to go to the following URL, and then it says here, how do I change the information registered to my account? You can change your registered information through our official Maya Help Center channels. So send an email to support@maya.ph, or you can message them via their social media pages. It says here at Maya is everything and at Maya cares PH on Facebook. So it says here, be ready to share proof such as valid IDs to share your request to change information. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe.